Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to review Xtended OS, which is based on Android 12. So I will be dividing this video in two sections. One is pros section and one is cons section. There is not much cons rather than pros. So let's start the video. So first of all, as you can see, the fingerprint it's working just fine. Just click and there is no issue with the fingerprint. You just touch it and it will unlock, as you can see. So there is no issue with the fingerprint, and this ROM has some subtle features and most of them actually same. So the launcher I am using is now launcher actually, so launcher, so it's same kind of launcher, and the ROM is actually quite good, but there is some issue with this ROM. So let's talk about the pros first. So the battery backup is good, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and everything is just working fine. And if I go here, you can see the settings is little different than others. So there is a section divided, so you can find the connectivity section and system settings and other, so different sections. And if you go here, the first one is extensions. So if you go there, you will get a lot of features, like you can change a status bar and other things, and also you will get like you can change animation. Also you can hide navigation gesture pill, which I don't like actually, so it's really good for me. And also this ROM support KKL, which actually good for the Redmi phone, because the skin burning issue you will find in other ROMs, so this ROM don't have that one. So if so what is there, you will get Xiaomi Ports, which will allow you to change the display saturation and other things, which is user KKL, as you can see. So if you change this thing, then you will get quite good colorful display, which will not burn or ghost issue. You will not find any kind of ghost issue. So automatic brightness also working just fine, but I cannot say about the SIM card and other things, because I don't put SIM on this phone because the network is really bad where I live. So rather than that, it's just fine, working just fine, and you will get the extension and other things. And the thing is that this is based on Android 12, so everything is like Android 12. There is nothing to talk about, just little different in UI, so little different UI changes, but it's purely AOSP, so it's working just fine. And the main camera also working fine. I have taken this photo with the main camera, and you can see you will get good detail on it. So MIUI camera, and these are the photos I have taken with Gcam. This photo is with Gcam, this one also Gcam, and this one also Gcam. So the camera was also working fine, there is no issue with that, and battery backup also fine. So these are the pros, some pros, and as you can see, it's quite good ROM. So if I go to cons, so you will get something called display orientation issue. I have found this on many ROMs. I don't know it's my phone problem or not, because I am getting is in few ROMs, in not all the ROMs. So this ROM also has that one. So as you can see, my auto rotation is off, but sometime when I use this phone, it's automatically rotate to landscape mode, when then I have to change it. So it's very annoying, and I'm getting it very often right now. So very often I'm getting that problem on this ROM. So rather than that, everything is working fine. Also, if you are a gamer, there is a gaming mode extension, which is, if you go to the extras, you can find the gaming mode. I haven't tried it. It may be close the background process and will give you a stable gaming experience, but this phone is not for actually gaming, so I don't really test gaming performance on this phone. So rather than that, this ROM is quite good. There is not much issue. Also, you will find some kind of lag on UI sometime. That is one kind of issue, like not every time. If you're using these ROMs for some time, you will get some kind of weird issue that the UI is lagging, and you have to like close all application, and again you have to open it. So that's also one problem. So there is two problem as far as I found. One is about orientation and one is about the system lagging. So the UI lags little bit, and rather than that I couldn't find any kind of problem. Everything is just working fine on this ROM, and I think it's quite a good stable ROM. If this thing doesn't don't bother you, like system lagging, the UI lagging is not that much actually. It's little bit, like sometime, not always, but the orientation problem I got it very often. So that's it for today. Hopefully this video is will be informative for you, and if you want to flash this ROM, there is another video about this ROM. You will get the link there. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.